Exponent of rational number exercise 2.1 question number 30. X power a minus b whole to the power a plus b times x power b minus c whole to the power b plus c, x power c minus a whole to the power c plus a is equal to 1. We have to solve. So left hand side, x raised to the power a minus b whole to the power a plus b times x raised to the power b minus c whole to the power b plus c and x raised to the power c minus a whole to the power c plus a. So I am going to use here identity a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So using this identity is equal to x raised to the power a minus b times a plus b and x raised to the power b minus c times b plus c times x raised to the power c minus a times c plus a is equal to x raised to the power a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square times x raised to the power b square minus c square, and here x raised to the power c square minus c square. And we know that base is same, so powers will add. So is equal to x raised to the power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square is a square plus minus cancel out. X raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Proved. Next question. X raised to the power a times a minus b over x raised to the power a times a plus b divided by x raised to the power b minus a over x raised to the power b plus a whole to the power a plus b. So take left hand side, x raised to the power a minus b over x raised to the power a plus b divided by x raised to the power b minus a upon x raised to the power b plus a whole to the power a plus b. Now is equal to insert a inside bracket. In division this power will subtract x raised to the power a square minus ab and minus next upon x raised to the power a square plus ab divided by x raised to the power b square minus ab upon x raised to the power b square plus ab whole to the power a plus b. Now subtract x raised to the power a square minus ab minus a square minus ab upon x raised to the power b square minus ab minus b square minus ab whole to the power a plus b is equal to a square minus. So a square cancel out, b square cancel out. So here x raised to the power minus 2ab upon x raised to the power minus 2ab whole to the power a plus b is equal to x raised to the power 2 minus 2ab plus 2ab whole to the power a plus b. 2ab 2ab cancel out. So x raised to the power 0 whole to the power a plus b. And we know that a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 1 raised to the power a plus b is equal to 1. Right hand side. Next question. IV part. A की power x plus 1 upon a की power y plus 1 whole की power x plus y times a की power y plus 2 upon a की power z plus 2 whole की power y plus z times a की power z plus 3 upon a की power x plus 3 whole to the power z plus x is equal to 1. Left hand side. A की power x plus 1 over a की power y plus 1 whole power x plus y times a की power y plus 2 over a की power z plus 2 whole power y plus z times a की power z plus 3 over a की power x plus 3. Now a की power m over a की power n is equal to a की power m minus n. Applying this exponential rule. So a की power x plus 1 minus y minus 1 times power x plus y times a की power y plus 2 minus z minus 2 whole power y plus z times a की पावर z plus 3 minus x minus 3 whole की पावर z plus x. So sorry, plus minus 1 cancel, plus minus 2 cancel, plus minus 3 cancel. So here can be written x की पावर a की पावर x minus y की पावर x plus y, a की पावर y minus z की पावर y plus z and a की पावर z minus x की पावर z plus x. Now again applying a की पावर m whole की पावर n is equal to a की पावर m n. So a की पावर x minus 1 x minus y times x plus y and a की पावर y minus z times y plus z times a की पावर z minus x z plus x. Here a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So I am going to use this property. So a की पावर x square minus y square a की पावर y square minus z square a की पावर z square minus x. So base is same, powers will add. A की पावर x square minus y square plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x square. So x square positive negative positive negative positive negative cancel out. So a की पावर 0 and we know that a की power 0 is equal to 1. Proved. Or right hand side. Right hand side. आपको सॉल्यूशन कैसा लगा प्लीज कमेंट में बताएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें नेक्स्ट वीडियो पाने के लिए। थैंक यू।